Welcome. Today I am in front of you all to talk about the. Today we are going to discuss about the career options. How we should choose our career options in our life, in our success way. Okay. And this is speaking skill today. Just I prefer for speaking skill today just because we should have the change in our videos. Okay. And all regarding that I have written on the board. I will tell you. I wish to give you some clarifications about that, how to choose our career options, by telling the little story of mine. When I was in my school days, there were six subjects, and including the linguistic subjects, English and Kannada. Marathi was also there, Marathi, Hindi, and I assure you that I am revealing all my childhood stories in my school days. Just I was so funny because there was six subjects, but I have only one notebook. Whatever the lecturers were going on, I write it. I put it down in my only one notebook. How funny! What a bummer! Just because we were very little in that in our school days, our brain were not mature, so that's why. And when I reached to my ninth standard, till I got some, I mean, I understood some what are good and bad. So I started concentrating on my strengths. I left my weakness. How I will tell you all regarding that. Through your ambition. My ambition till I am concentrating on my studies. Just because my ambition is that I wanna crack the UPSC and KPSC exams. Okay. I don't know this is my confidence or overconfidence. I am telling all regarding that in front of you all just because my ambition is to crack. Okay, so that's why I am constantly dedicating to my studies. I hope I will. I don't know. I will success. I will appear the success in my life. I or don't know. But still, I am studying constantly. My determination is strong. Okay. Through your strengths and weakness. My strength is English, so that's why I am teaching you in English. Okay. My weakness is when I was in my school days, I was a little poor in mathematics, so that's why I left the science field and I took arts. Okay. Through your financial support, through your financial support, I mean, if you are poor, if your family condition is poor, you should choose some um, other options. Okay. Regarding according to your financial support, you should choose your career. Okay. Through your passion. My passion is to crack UPSC and KPSC, means competitive exams, civil services. So that is why I am concentrating my studies about the passion regarding my according to my passion, and I want that my passion is to be my profession. Sorry, my passion is to be my profession. So that is why I am studying, and through your potential power. First, we have to understand your abilities, means your strengths and weakness. Through your strategy and pre-plan, you should have the pre-plan, and you should have the pre-plan because your ambition should be great. Okay, your vision should be great. Your through your interest. Okay, I am interested in English, so that is why I am moving towards my career regarding the English. Okay, through your perfection, you should be perfect in your language or in your subject. I have taken English, but I am trying to reach my position through the English subject. Okay, through your convenience. According to your convenience, you should move on to the career option. Okay, I hope you understood, and thank you so much.